Imagine a 12-year-old earning more than a college graduate just by making games. Sounds impossible? It's already happening. Platforms like Roblox and Scratch are quietly transforming how children learn, play, and even earn. While many adults still think gaming is just a waste of time, millions of kids are using these platforms to learn coding, storytelling, logic, and design without even realizing it. Roblox teaches Lua scripting. Scratch builds problem-solving through simple blocks. What's amazing is that it doesn't feel like school. It feels like fun, but beneath that fun is real education. This is not just the future of games, it's the future of learning.
Okay, now I will explain to you. Let's take a closer look. Roblox isn't just about avatars and obbies. It's a full development platform where users create their own games using Lua coding. Many young developers are earning real money through Robux, which can be exchanged for actual currency.
These platforms are changing how students around the world learn critical skills, creativity, logic, collaboration, and entrepreneurship. Skills that textbooks can't teach as effectively.
There are thousands of young creators like this, from around the world, building games in bedrooms and classrooms. Some are gaining followers, others are earning money, and many are gaining confidence in a skill that could shape their future.
They're not just playing games anymore, they're building them.
This is a game changer, not just for kids who play games, but for the future of education itself. Platforms like Roblox and Scratch are breaking down barriers, making coding and creativity accessible to everyone. No longer is learning locked behind textbooks or classrooms. Now it happens through play, exploration, and real creation. The next generation won't just consume technology, they'll build it. And that changes everything.